Meet Mr. Simon, his blonde head. At start of his business, few people, few machine and less orders to manage. He was able to manage his limited production and requirements, able to make timely deliveries. His clients were happy and gave more work, business increased. He decided to increase plant capacity. Now he has more machines, more people and more business. With increase in production, he has less time to plan. He is no longer able to deliver his orders on time. Now his clients started complaining for delay and unsatisfied with his failed commitments. Though sales increased, he is no more able to deliver on time, resulting in a delay of billing to customer, in turn delayed payment receipt. His customers started looking for another vendors. He has now less orders with more machines and more people, with more expenses. He is frustrated and stressed, both financially and mentally because of low productivity, improper cash flow, unhappy clients, unorganized working, delayed delivery, wastage of time, wastage of resources. One day when he was thinking about all his problems, his fellow businessman friend meets him. Mr. Simon then tells him about his current business problems. His friend explains.
We implemented fast planning software.
His friend asks him to accompany to his production unit. With fast planning software, I'm able to easily give them daily production schedules based on my machine loading report. Any machine breakdown is now captured on my software and I can then reschedule the operations with a new delivery date. There is also facility of separate barcodes on machine and job cards which auto-capture is the start and end time of production process. It also helps in avoiding any wrong production data entry in the software. By sitting in my office, I can get the live status of my production shot, which reduces my time of taking follow-up every time I need to know my production status. Whenever my client asks me about delivery time of their order, by click of a button I can easily view their status and convey them the delivery date. Fast planning software also enables me to view reports related to my production just by sitting on my computer, giving me a clear picture of my business status. Mr. Simon decided to use fast planning software.
With the fast planning software I can create proper planning, improve my cash flow, high productivity, timely deliveries and happy clients.
Now Mr. Simon is relaxed, successful. Improve your business with fast planning software.
Give us call 7720022233 www.fastplanningsoftware.com. Thank you for watching.